Good morning children. Welcome back. In the previous video we have seen about the depletion of water table and its causes. So today we are going to revise this again, that is the increase in population, industrial activities, agricultural activities, decrease in rainfall and deforestation. Let us look one by one in detail. So increasing population. Increasing population creates demand for construction of houses, shops, offices, roads and pavements. This decreases the open areas like parks and playgrounds. This in turn decreases the seepage of rainwater into the ground. A huge amount of water is needed for construction work and all the water is drowned from the ground. Means what? There are everywhere, as population is increasing, there are everywhere, the buildings are there, the shops are there, the offices are there, roads are there, all everything is the concrete jungle over there. There's no land for water to seep. Correct? The water is not going into the ground. All the water is just running off from this concrete jungle. So increasing population is affecting the groundwater level. Increasing industries. Water is used by all industries. Every production needs the water. So number of industries are increasing day by day, and water used by most industries is drawn from the ground. Very few industries use the water from the river or the lakes, but ultimately the water is coming from the groundwater. Next is the agricultural activities, and this is the most important. Water is very important for the agricultural activities. So majority of farmers depends upon the rains for irrigating their crops, and irrigation systems like canals are there only at the few places. So these systems may suffer from lack of water due to the plenty of rainfall. So farmers have to use groundwater for irrigation. And population pressure on the agriculture forces increasing use of groundwater day by day. This resulting depletion of water table. And next is the distribution of water, that is some places have good amount of rain and there is a very scanty rainfall. So India is a vast country and rainfall is not same everywhere. Some regions have excessive rainfall while some have very little rainfall. So the excessive rain causes floods, and whereas the absence of the rains results in the droughts. You can see the picture over there. First picture is of drought where there is a very less rainfall, which has a very less amount of groundwater in it, and the second one is of floods, that is there is the groundwater is very much, and the use of that groundwater is also at the high level. So in according to save this water level, there are some measurements or there are some measures which we have to study and put it into the application. So this we will see in our next video. Thank you children.